in your experience, what happens when we leave the body or spirit out of the healing equation? So that's a good question. For instance, if somebody doesn't want the spiritual part.
Yeah. Well, if they don't want the spiritual part, leaving it out isn't going to be detrimental to their happiness here on this planet. We all are here for different sacred contracts. We're all here for different goals. For me, having it left out kept me in this dark night of the soul for way too long.
Yeah.
When I was very, very little, I came into, like, I remember telling somebody, I don't want to be here. I don't want to come back. Like, why do I keep coming back? This is stupid. I remember saying this.
Mm.
And that kind of became this underlying theme of, like, why am I still here? Like, I want to stay there. I want to stay, like that bliss place. I
Yeah.
just keep coming back to this earthly plane. And so, dealing with ADHD and going through my own kind of healing path, all of the modalities, all the stuff I didn't really address that piece. Like, well, then
Mm.
how do I, reawaken and get to that place? Maslow was great because he was like, you can self-actualize while you're here. You can go up this ladder. And then Buddhism was like, oh, there's a path. And I was like, oh, so how do I incorporate that now into my therapy? Because that's my path. I want to do well here on earth. So then maybe I don't have to come back. Maybe I can stay in the spiritual plane and just help people from afar. And who
Sounds much
knows,
better.
maybe, right? And maybe I'll live a happy life that I will want to come back.
Yeah.
Maybe there was something in a past life that really tainted me. And so
Mm.
maybe I'll change that vibe and want to come back. So who knows? But the spiritual piece was so important for me.
Yeah.
And I'm not afraid. I don't shy away from it. I have clients that they say that I want to explore this. Great, let's do that.
Hmm.
That's your path. I am not going to shy away.
Yeah. And unfortunately then we've also got people who have got the religious trauma and the cults and that kind of stuff. So that's a whole
It's
nother
a
level, because that's
whole
a lot
other
of
thing.
deconstructing and reconstructing that has to go
Yeah.
on to fix
And
that.
I actually work with a lot of clients and I've gone through my own
Mm,
religious
me
deconstruction
too.
and reconstruction. And I work with clients that are coming out of religion. And I'm like, and how I do it is I don't want to taint them from it.
Right.
Let's look at what worked for you, what
Hmm.
pieces resonate with you, because something in there kept you.
Right.
And then what doesn't work for you? And let's look at ancient philosophy. Let's look at other religions. Let's
Hmm.
pull something so you can create your own spirituality.
Hmm.
I think we need to move away from religion and towards
I
spirituality.
agree.
Um, and yeah, find happiness there.
Yeah,
So
I agree.
yeah.
I 100% agree. Yeah, I've gone through my own deconstructing, and that was that was many years because I couldn't figure out what was going on. It
Yeah.
took several years before I went, okay, I'm deconstructing. That's what it is. And then
Yeah.
I figured that out, and then I've begun to reconstruct. And yeah, I have a very different spiritual life than I did before. I mean, my relationship with God is tight. That hasn't changed. It's just how I interact with Him and what my relationship with
Yeah.
is between me and Him and me and Him alone.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And I bet it feels more authentic and I bet you feel closer and more
Oh yeah.
connected,
Yeah, I feel
right?
like I'm hearing him more. And the thing
Yeah.
is, I don't remember when I met him. He's been in my life as long as I can
Forever.
remember. I mean, I used to go to church by myself on the Sunday school bus at 5 years old. So there, and I don't know who introduced him to me, but he's always been in my life and he's been the staple in my life. And so
Yeah.
when I was going through my deconstruction, that part was never a question to me at all. At all. That has stuck. And it's definitely gotten, in my opinion, I've gotten much closer, much closer.
Amazing.
Yeah,
I love
yeah,
that.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I love that.
It was a rough time. It was a rough time. It was
Yeah.
confusing and sometimes frustrating, and there was a lot of tears, but he caught every one of them. So, yeah, here I am. Yeah, it was big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, those dark nights of the soul that we go through, whew, it takes a long time for us to kind of
It
process through. It takes what it takes. But beautiful on the other side,
Oh yeah, yeah. Just hang in there because there is the other
Yeah,
side and it is
there
so
is.
worth it. It is so worth it. I'm telling you. Hang on.